Hello, my name is Junghwa Lee, Associate Professor of the Communication Department and the organizer of the Digital Storytelling Summit at UND. The goal of this event is to really educate high school students to understand the importance of communication. We believe that whichever major they will end up choosing, being able to communicate, especially on digital and social media, is such an important skill these days. We are hoping to achieve that goal through this event.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for students to come in and learn a little bit more about telling stories. Storytelling is such a powerful tool in a variety of areas. It's really an important skill to have.
Putting myself in the student's shoes, I know I would have appreciated having an opportunity like this in high school to just be able to get more information on things that are possible for me when I go into college and just finishing up high school as well.
One of the highlights of the camp for me was getting to go down to Fargo and tour WDAY and see all of the equipment that they use and getting to hear from some anchors and some people who work behind the scenes.
I really liked learning how to use the cameras and how to film, and then also using different programs and how to produce videos.
The Digital Storytelling Summit was an incredible opportunity for organizations like the Empire Art Center to network and interface with the next generation of communicators.
The high school students have had the chance to work with professionals from across the community, clients within Grand Forks, and other professors, and hear about communication techniques and different tactics that we can use to be better storytellers. I think I have seen them grow tremendously over the last 5 days. They have had experiences in video editing, interviewing, writing, and all of it is really going to help develop them as storytellers in the future. My favorite part has been meeting with all of the students and learning more about them. It's been really fun to see how shy they were on the first day and then how much their personalities have shined throughout the week. They've all been extremely successful in all of their projects and have been working with the clients so well, so I'm very excited about how the camp has gone.
My overall impression about our first Digital Storytelling Summit was that it was extremely successful. The purpose of this summit was to really tell and teach our high school students about the importance of storytelling and then skills to make a good story. We are very impressed by the growth of our high school students. Just for a few days, they've shown us how motivated they are and then how responsible they are to work together with other group members.
We are very excited to continue with this summit next summer. It will grow so much over the years from the success of this first year.